Hi students, welcome to my world. This is Satish, created the Satish Leo Studies channel. Today topic is what happens if you place a resistor after the diode. Okay, not before the diode, after the diode. Will diode burn out? Let's check it. The answer is no. But you may have got some doubt how this happened. So we all know that electrons flows from negative terminal to positive terminal. That is, electron flows from negative terminal to positive terminal. So you think that in this resistor is there, so these electrons will be blocked by the resistor. Okay, you have great listen. So the diode will not burn out. So my question is wrong. But think, we also know that real current means the original current. The electrons will flow. If electron flows in this direction, that is left to right, then its current flows in its opposite direction, that is right to left. Okay, so in this way, real current or conventional current or electricity flows from positive to negative. That means if electron flows from negative to positive, in this way real current flows from positive to negative. Here there is no protection for the diode because resistor is kept after the diode. So the current must reach the anode only, then it reaches the resistor. So here there is no protection. So there is a chance to burn diode, but it is not happening here. But why it is not happening here? Because resistor is placed after the diode. So current is reaching diode first and then after resistor. So there is no protection. But diode will not burn out. It works normally. How is possible? So if electricity flows from positive terminal to negative terminal to anode, resistor where is not there, means here current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal, that is to anode, where resistor is not there. The diode will not burn out. I will explain how. Why LED will not burn out? You should always remember that in series the voltage drop is different. But this voltage drop is due to the total resistance, means in series. Why have discussed in series? Here diode and resistors are connected in series, so we have to observe the series condition. We know that in series condition voltage is different, but this voltage drop depends upon the resistance of the resistor plus resistance of the LED, means every device some have resistance. So voltage drop depends upon the resistance of the resistor and resistance of the diode. This total resistance decides the current flow. Okay, means it limits the current flow to the value which diode can withstand. So what you understand, this resistance decides the current value to which diode can work without burnout. Okay, the decided current will flow in the entire circuit. This current flow is same in every part of the loop in the circuit. But how can I tell? Simply telling means it is not right. So this theory, that what theory means, the current flow is same in every part of the circuit. This theory is explained clearly by the Kirchhoff current laws. what Kirchhoff current law says that current flowing into any part in a circuit equals to the current flowing out of the circuit, means current in is equal to current out. So the current entering the LED and leaving the resistor is same. So in the starting, when we kept the resistor and the diode, it allows only some specific value of the current which diode can consume safely without burning. Okay, so in this way, if you place the resistor before diode or after the diode will not burn out because current is limited before it reaches the diode. Okay friends, thank you friends for watching my video. Please share, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in a detailed way.